Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to change the language, the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now on this left section we have to scroll down to actually very bottom to find general management. Let's tap on it. And right now we have to tap on this on the language option in this right section. So let's do it. As you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's simply tap on add a language, and here we've been immediately transferred to the full list of the languages which we can choose. If you cannot find the language you'd like to set here, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages, because as you can see, they are suggested by Samsung. But still, if you cannot find the languages, simply tap on all languages, and as you can see, here we've got full list of all available ones. But let me get back to the suggested by Samsung, because why not? And all we have to do right now is to simply find the language we would like to use, we would like to set, and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Turkish. Let's tap. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So again, just tap on the one you'd like to use. And here your device will ask you if you want to set the new language as a default one. So you can of course decide to keep current or set as default. So of course I will tap on set as default. As you can see, the Turkish language immediately appeared on the very first position, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu is in the chosen language, in my case Turkish. So if you've got two different languages added, then you can change it and just by swiping their positions. So let's tap on it and hold it. And as you can see, it immediately changed. So right now we've got the English language marked, and by tapping on those arrows, we can simply change the position of them. Let's place the English at the very first option, at the very top of the list, and simply go back. And okay. And the English is right now at the very top, and as you can see, the whole system is also in English language. So this is how you can also change the language if you've got two or three different added to this list. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the language from this list. Simply tap on edit, and as you can see, you can mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon here. Let's tap on remove, and here we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.